Oh, shit.
Drop it. Right, drop it.
Oh.
What are you doing so far?
Pretty good.
Not going too strong, okay? A little bit more aggressive here, okay? Let me know if I'm going too strong. All right, so I'm going to start by adjusting right in the mid-back first, okay?
All right.
So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out.
Oh.
Good. One more time for me. All the way out. And one more time, please. All the way out. Very good. Nice deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh.
Very good. How'd that feel? Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Nice. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Go ahead and point your toes down for me.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry for
Oh, no, you're good.
Oh.
How'd that feel?
Relief. It's a lot of pressure. Just as soon as you crack, it's like pressure gets relieved.
Yeah.
Oh.
Felt good, huh?
Yes.
Get a good release on that?
Yes.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Same thing here. Very nice. Same thing to the knee here. Just relax the knee for me. Good. Do the right side. Just relax it. Big release of that ankle. On the knee, okay? Nice. We're going to adjust right in the neck here, okay?
All right.
So head all the way down towards me. I want you to just drop the shoulder here. Give me full control of the neck here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now just do me a favor and drop it towards the left. Drop it. Very good. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good release, huh?
Yes.
Awesome. So head up nice and tall. Down this one here. Just relax the shoulder, okay? Just give me full control here. Now just drop the head to the right, drop it. Very good. How'd that feel?
Good.
We're gonna come all the way down. Just relax it for me. Very good, perfect. Awesome. We're just gonna come down. Just relax it for me. Very good. You gave me an adjustment on that one too, man.